Hi guys. So I'm gonna make a video first time. I'm pretty sure it's safe kay I don't have followers, but I just want to do a quick what's in my bag haul as a 30+ years old tita. First I have this one. It's called Pyongyang Poishan inhaler. So I bought this when I was in Thailand, and ever since I'm addicted. So I have like 20 pieces of this. Next, I also have my clear eye drops. Kay I usually wear contacts, and then if you can see, dali na siya mag-red akong eyes, so I have this one as well. Very tita. I have a lipstick and my card holder. So this one, souvenir niya siya when I got married, so very handy. And also, what else? I have my pressed powder just in case oily na ta. My KitKat from Japan. Okay, basi mahay puglay niya taron, so at least I have. And last not the least, my car keys. Kidding. Kidding. Superman. Dugay na ni siya. Natag. In my bag, that's all. And my bag is from a local brand in Australia. It's called The Horse. Nice siya. Small and but compact. That's all. Bye!